And this way is a threefold path of compassion that we understand as Jesus's radical path of compassion. And there's three dimensions to it. So the first is a deepening of our connection to the compassion of God, a restoration to a humanity fully loved and alive, and then an increase to our capacity to be instruments of compassion toward others in the world. And so it's this rhythm of compassion for taking time for ourselves, grounding ourselves in God, and then moving out with compassion into the world, becoming depleted and returning to ourselves to restore us, grounding in God again. And this rhythm, this pulse of compassion, is what restores us to our authentic selves and gives us, empowers us to engage in the world through compassion. And so Jesus embodied this compassionate way of being in the world in the midst of intense marginalization and oppression. And so we have a picture of Jesus and the Disinherited and Howard Thurman up here because Howard Thurman doesn't use the word compassion, but this is what he talks about in this landmark book, is what Jesus has to offer to who he calls the disinherited and who we would call today the marginalized and the oppressed. And in our best moments, we see ourselves as carrying on the tradition of Howard Thurman.